Right, so in a previous video I showed you how to write a little script that bumps up your CPU governor into performance mode. You can do that while you're doing. Now you'll see here it says enable persistence mode for GPU, and the power limits are bumped up as well. I'll show you how to do that right now. I'll be showing you Nvidia SMI. It's just a little addition that you can use to fine-tune your system for certain tasks. Here you can see the script I wrote last time in this other video over here, where I showed you how to change the performance governor of your CPU. And I've added 2 lines of code, or commands I should say, in the beginning. So Nvidia SMI PM1 and Nvidia SMI PL182. Now the PM is for persistence mode, so that just ensures that the driver doesn't unload itself when you go into power saving or anything like that. So when you're doing like long renders on Blender or something, or if you're mining or anything that uses the card for anything other than display, then that's a good setting to use, as you don't have to worry about your driver being unloaded when it goes into power saving mode or anything like that. It persists, so the driver persists. 1 for on, 0 for off. The second line there is PL, which is power limit. Power limit. So this is similar to that power limit slider, like on Microsoft Windows, where you have your MSI Afterburner and you can adjust your power limit. Very similar to that, but you just have to type it in. It's not a slider. If you type anything too small or too big in, it will give an error and it will tell you, listen, this is the range that we support for this card, and then you can bump it up. So 182 is actually my card's maximum. It's not the default. The default's somewhere in the 150s. So yeah, that's why I have it on. When I play my games, I just run this little script and it just makes sure that everything's running smoothly. Yeah, and remember to update your normal script as well to bring it back down if you want to. But yeah, so let's quickly run through the help. Very, very brief. It's got quite a lot of advanced features, but yeah, I'm gonna leave you to browse through all of these features, but you can get your clock information, all sorts of stuff. A lot of these features are only for the production level GPUs that they have for the professional users, not the gamers. So not everything here will be necessarily be compatible with your card, but it's worth a read through, and I believe it is included with your driver, so you don't have to, it's not an additional package that you have to install as far as I can remember, but it's called the Nvidia System Management Interface. So you can do quite a bit of this. If you've got multiple GPUs, you can target a lot of these commands to specific GPUs. There's stuff for error correcting if you've got those production quality cards. Yeah, so power limit, CUDA clocks, you can change clocks, you can set it back to auto or default, you can change them to, various different things. There's GPU target temperatures that you can change. And for most of these, you are going to require admin privileges, to just keep that in mind. So just sudo most of these, and be careful. Remember, whenever you start messing around with stuff that's not default, you are taking a risk. So just be careful. Make sure you don't overdo it. Make sure that the card is in a good condition, with the cooler being nice and clean, and paste being up to date and all that stuff. But it's quite fun. The other thing is, this help does give you a lot of information, but if you want even more, you can use man, which is short for manual. So man Nvidia SMI, and you can use this man for most commands on Linux. Most of them do have man pages or manual pages, so just read through this. It'll give you pretty much all the information you'd need. You might have to Google one or two things, if you're starting to do something really strange, but yeah, gives you a whole bunch of more information over and above what that help file gave you, so quite a bit. So I just wanted to show you that, and I'll show you some gaming now. Playing some Battlefield 5 as well as some Borderlands pre-sequel. Yeah, it's far away from where I was born, so... Right in enemy territory. Probably gonna die on the way there. Ah, here we go. Flip it. Sure. What? I don't know if that was a ping issue, maybe? That we just kept missing each other there? This is a international based game.
Attention, Hyperion. Your Helios space station now belongs to the Lost Legion. Surrender before it is too late.
Their accuracy is what, on par with like a stormtrooper, I would say?
Or you want to wait? You're busy. That's cool.
I'm actually busy, yeah.
Bleed over here internally for a while.
That's
Holy crap.
fine.
You saved my life. Thank you. Sorry.
I wish I didn't do that.
Never been shot at.
Come on, Jack. Let me line up a shot here. Flip's sake, man.
Lost his torso. Better heal up before your trip down to the moon.
Yep.
Might want to grab some ammo too. Supplies over here.
Sorted. Sorted.
We need to get a moonshot
Let's
container
go.
up here. Normally
Let's
we load some
go.
supplies, but
Let's
this
go.
time you're the cargo.
Dang it.
Conserve your oxygen.
And I'm ready. There's nothing else for me to do, so I guess I'm ready. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It will help the channel out quite a bit. And please see a link in the description if you'd like to donate to help me out. Maybe to help me get an AMD card so that I can start messing around with that. That would be awesome. Have a nice day.